Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. This tutorial is for Android, but the process is similar for any other devices. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. Then, open your TikTok app and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. This will open your profile. Now you will press the three dots on the top right corner. Now scroll down until you find the support section. Click on the Report a Problem button, and this will take you to a new page. Here, you need to look for Live/Payments/Rewards and click on it. Then click on the Live Host button. Now select the I can't start a live option. Now where it asks if your problem is solved, you will press the No option. Then click on the Still Have Problem option. On the next page, you have to type, I cannot start a live stream. Kindly enable my live options. Then enter your email on the box below. Tap Send on the top right corner, and it will take a few seconds to register. Once it's done, you need to wait for a few days and you will get a response on the email you provided. I hope this video was of help. Bye.